Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Verkama Law Office Legal Podcasts. In this edition, we look at will contests and contested probate. Do you think you are entitled to money and might be entitled to money from an estate or trust? Do you believe that someone is unfairly claiming money or property that is rightfully yours? Has the executor or administrator of the estate not done their job? If so, and you're a prospective party, then you may need an attorney to protect your rights. Let's see. Now, in most states, an executor has many duties, and some of the duties of the executor are to admit the will to probate, apply for tax ID, set up estate accounts, send notices of the probate to the beneficiaries, file notice of probate with the surrogate, file state and federal estate tax returns, file inheritance tax returns, pay bills, sell the assets, prepare an informal accounting, and then a final accounting. Sometimes the executor does not do their job, and in those cases, I'd say there can be a contested probate. Sometimes someone is trying to invalidate the will on the grounds the will was the grounds of undue influence, or that the person who signed the will did not have the testamentary capacity when they signed it. Basically, that they were not competent when they signed it, or there's undue influence. So, therefore, in a will contest, sometimes we're challenging the admissibility of the will itself. Other times in contested probate, we're not challenging the will, we're just challenging the way the executor has been handling the matter. And it's the duty of the executor, and if there's no will, it's in New Jersey, it's called the administrator. They have to probate the will, liquidate assets, pay the bills, file all court and tax returns. If they don't do their job, then a complaint can be filed in the Superior Court. In New Jersey and certain states, the court and surrogate do not supervise how the executor or administrator handles the estate. So unfortunately, when the executor doesn't do their job, it's up to the beneficiaries to step forward and do something about it. You can hire an attorney to file a complaint in Superior Court. A complaint for an accounting and removal of an executor and to compel things be done in New Jersey is filed in the Chancery Division Probate Court. They can also request a new person be appointed to administer and wrap up the estate. A signed certification by one or more of the beneficiaries is needed. In addition, an order to show cause is prepared by the attorney. The order to show cause is signed by the judge, directing the executor to file a written answer to the complaint, as well as appear before the court on a specific date and time. As with most litigated matters, trials and litigated matters are very expensive. Competent probate attorneys charge usually between $275 and $375 an hour, sometimes more, often with a minimum retainer of $3,000 up front. Also, if you're not satisfied with what the executor has done, you can ask the court to bar executor's commission to sell real estate and do other things. So, as far as with will contests and contested probate, it's a need to retain a competent probate attorney as soon as you know that there's some sort of wrongdoings. For representation, call the law office of Kenneth Verkama, 732-572-0500, located at 2053 Woodbridge Avenue, Edison, New Jersey, 08817. On the web at www.njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com, and also on the web at centraljerseyelderlaw.com. Thank you and good luck.